Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality, very authoritative and the high trafficable do follow profile backlink, and also you guys are able to create a bookmarking and the message kind of backlink on this site. So this is a very authoritative website, so you guys will consider this site for the backlinking. So this is a website dashboard, and this is a website URL. So I can provide the website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. So before they started, we can do some research about the site. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 91, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 94, and the spam score is only 3%. So and according to SimilarWeb, this website having a 1.5 million monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from USA, Russia, UK, Canada, and China and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider this site for the backlinking. So I guess we have completed our research process. So now we can start. You can see this is a website dashboard, and simply you can click on the register button, and there you can fill your all login details. So there we can add our email address, then you can choose a username, you can consider your company name or your personal name. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co, and there you guys can choose your password, and you can add your date of birth. So this is my actual date of birth. So you can see we have successfully created our profile, and now the time is to we can verify your profile. So this site will send you a verification email, so you guys will check your Gmail box. So we received, and simply you can click on the confirm now button. Okay, so you can see our profile is successfully created. So simply you can click on the edit profile button, and the first you guys will upload your profile picture. So this is a profile picture for my website, and after that you can click on the apply button, and there you can add your company name. So company name is a DML training, and in this bio section you can add a short bio, like you can consider to add your home page H1 or the meta title or the hook word. So for my index page, achieve your goal with a top tier digital marketing training, so I can consider bio. There I can include my keyword and my message as well, and you can add your social accounts. So we have a Twitter. So let me copy link, and let me paste over there. Facebook, and there you can add your website URL. So successfully we have completed all the things. So after that you can click on the save button. So you guys will see we have successfully created our profile on this site. So I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is our company name, brand name, and this is our hook word, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow. So today we have created a very high quality do follow profile backlink on this site with our targeted masses. And now the time is to how you guys will create your masses and the bookmarking kind of backlink on this site. So simply you can click on the create button, and first you guys will generate a description or anything. So suppose that if I can wanting to create a backlink for this, so you can add your title, and you can make it bold, there is no any, yeah, so there is option to can convert into H1, and after that there you can add normal text, and there we can add our short message. Yeah, and after that describe what you changed. Okay, so everything we have added. If you wanting, so you can insert your images, and if you wanting, so then you can insert hyperlink in your content. But if you can insert right now hyperlink in this bookmarking section, this site will consider you are doing spamming, so they will not going to approve your content. So at the initial time you can avoid to adding a link in the bookmarking content. After that once you guys will complete these things, so you can click on the save button. I guess there is something misleading, so that's why they are not allowing me to. I can create. You have been blocked from editing. I guess there I made some spamming things, because if I can show you in this, I have created a different profile before creating this video. So where you can see where I published this content, and this should be going to approved, and this on this could approved. If I can show you in incognito, so you guys can see. So whenever you guys are creating your profile backlink on this site, so you guys will able to create your profile on this side, and when you guys are contributing to create a bookmarking backlink, you guys will make sure you guys are using fresh content. This site will detect instantly, and they will going to block you. Okay, so while you guys are doing backlinking on this site, so you can make sure to you can use a fresh content. Okay, so this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details or the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. And also you guys can wanting to support me with financially, so there you can join my membership plan is very low, so you guys can easily support me something whatever you wanting. Okay, so okay, bye bye and take care.